So let's see together.
यहाँ पे शोर है
खड़े हो जाओ. बोल रहे हो. My dear friends, this is hippopotamus. Right now he is sleeping. This is our Lucknow Zoo. Now we are in train. Welcome all our loving family. This is my beautiful family, my sister and his son, my mom, my sister's son, my wife, and here we are. Me, Sam, say hello. We missing so much our all Northeast people, also our watching people. So today we visiting our Lucknow Zoo. This is our Lucknow Zoo. Now we are in train. See crocodiles. Very nice place. This is our Lucknow Zoo. Now we are visiting with our family. And यहाँ पे टाइगर सो रहा है. My wife, my family.